this entertainment.
Live for the love, keep on loving and falling in love. Live by the love, let love roll with you. Live by the love, keep on loving and falling in love. Live by the love, let love roll with you.
Hey, let me spit. Lavula, Zalavu yamumtima mwanga ilamula. It's that I've had to love Nde DonZoyo Love Inamunyamula. I'm up mamba malele sindinatele love idakangoti isamatele Ndekuti sibwezi zibwenzi and all these memories that I cherish from past relationships that make me feel a type of way, make me feel a type of way. I'm saying all of you gonna need your boy, always keep chasing it. All of you gonna need your soy, always replace it with a new type of love. It should be more than a feeling is what I'm teaching. Reaching until you see it, singing it, simming. Love is only appealing when it's giving. So when it takes too much from you, we tend to give in, give up, cause you just can't love when you only seem to be getting hurt. But see the pain, we need to feel that pain to grow. Oh, it could be hard, yeah I know, but so you reap what you sow. And seeing you saw how much you had to endure, what's coming after it will be worth it for sure.
Keep on loving and falling in love. Live by the love, let love roll with you. Live by the love, keep on loving and falling in love. Live by the love, let love roll with you.
Hey, give love, don't keep love hitting. Keep it up as long as your heart's beating. Take me, I love spitting, I love women, and also the times I love eating. It's all kinds of love. Listen, chikondi jilingari moto wakandulwa imoti kuyatsa kando inzake. Sikuri moto wanzake uyake wake utika kuba malevozi yake. Aye mungu onjezela kuwala mujipinda. Chilankhulo cha mirima chosalila kudziwila maina. Kuti wakuonetsa chikondi udzire ndani koma kuti mwina ukatsinzina uzitha kufila. Kuti ndine wokondedwa yeribwa, ndine wololeda osadabwa. Osadanda zanga chikondi siyo mata ndipo siyitata sinanga. We are made from love and made to love and meant to have a life dedicated to giving and keeping and living in constant love. Let's live it up in love. Keep falling in love, keep raising menacing. Keep rising above the hate we can. TN is it as menacing. In a single sentence statement, love will send us in a statement for delicate souls. Desperate hearts that's escape the heartbreaking cold of the world. Pakuri kukhala wa moyo wabanda yikone ndikubetsa. Kona zako mumu uzikondela mwine ndilamulo iwo maesa. Mesa yeso analeta. Ubweza la joy pa ine ndizonyetsa kwa manzanga. Yes, it's to give you love and live for love.